Are you curious how things are going in the Southern California housing market and where they're headed? Well, we're going to get into that today. I'm Caleb Hanson, your friend in real estate. I'm here to help you understand what's going on in the market and what options you have. So feel free to reach out to me anytime if you've got questions or a dream that you want to pursue. I want to support you. So give me a call or shoot me a text. My cell phone number is 909-576-0695. With that, let's get started. SoCal home prices are up about 6.7% on average compared to this time last year, based on data for Los Angeles, San Bernardino, Riverside, and Orange counties. Los Angeles and Orange counties reached new high prices in April. The interesting thing is that they're only about $12,000 higher than the peak prices from last summer. So that means that appreciation has slowed down, but it's still prices are still rising. San Bernardino County is clearly plateaued with a median price of $550,000 for the fourth month in a row, and Riverside's appreciation has slowed as well, with a median price that's up 3.25% compared to last year. Now, turning toward inventory, it keeps rising gradually, giving buyers more options, but without tipping the scales completely. So overall, we've got about 37% more houses for sale in Southern California than we had at this time last year. So that's a big move, but still we're well below pre-pandemic levels, which keeps competition still pretty high for well-priced homes. Looking at time on market and the pace of home sales, it picked up a bit in all four counties in April. But the market's divided between the Inland Empire and the coastal markets of Los Angeles and Orange counties. So in the Inland Empire, San Bernardino and Riverside, we're seeing 27 days on the market as the median. So half of them sold faster and half of them took longer. And in Los Angeles and Orange counties, half of them sold in 16 days or less. So much faster in the OC and LA markets compared to the Inland Empire. Looking at supply and demand dynamics, the SoCal market definitely still favors sellers, but it's moving steadily toward balance. And we measure this with months of inventory that tracks how fast homes are coming on the market versus how fast buyers are buying them. So as it rises, the market is cooling, and in 10 out of the last 12 months, we've seen rising months of inventory, which means that cooling has been happening. But we'd still need about 35% more homes for sale than we have right now to balance out the current demand. What this means for sellers is that well-prepared, well-priced homes are still moving quickly and commanding strong offers, but with more competition from other sellers, pricing too high can definitely backfire. So accurate pricing is more important than ever right now, and I am here to help you with that. What this means for buyers is don't expect steep discounts, but do expect a bit more breathing room than in early 2022. Some sellers are misjudging the cooling pace, which opens the door for some buyers to negotiate better terms. Again, I am here to help you with that. So if your current home or investment property doesn't support your goals anymore, I'm here to help you find one that does. So call me or text me anytime. I would love to connect with you, and I hope we get to chat soon.